guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you how I came about this bread cake. This recipe was actually introduced to me by my friends Tessy's kitchen. Please go check out her channel. It is an Italian bread called the Danubio bread cake. So guys, let's get started on the recipe. So I'm using about 400 grams of flour. This is it, and I use the all-purpose flour. And here is my sugar. I will be stating in my description box the measurements I use. Here is some salt. Here is my butter or margarine, whichever one you have. Here is my flavor, vanilla flavor, my dry yeast, 1 egg. Here is my milk, some water, a bit of water to mix.
Guys, now I want to start by mixing all my dry ingredients together. Here's my flour.
So I'll be adding all the dry ingredients together to mix them. Now I'm adding my vanilla flavor and my salt, a pinch of salt, my dry yeast, my sugar. Like I said, I will leave the measurements in the description box below. I added in a bit more sugar because I wanted it to be a bit sweet. So now I'm just going to mix all the dry ingredients together. All mixed. Next, I'm going to pour in my milk. Next, I'm going to pour in my melted butter. It is advisable to melt your butter for easy mixing. I'm just going to mix with my hands. It is faster. Next, I'm going to add in my egg. Remember, I used 1 egg. And also add in a bit of water so I can mix everything together at once. So mix everything together until you get a nice fluffy dough, not too hard and not too soft. So next, spread flour on a work surface and transfer the dough in there and knead for at least 3 to 5 minutes. So my dough is ready. Transfer back into the bowl and cover with a clean film and let it rest for at least 2 hours. Yes, you heard. So guys, this was after about 1 hour 30 minutes. I was a bit impatient. You see, the dough has kind of risen up and it's looking really nice. Now put flour on a work surface again and knead very well for another 3 minutes. Then after kneading, cut the dough into bits.
Baby, you know it's okay. You're a pretty fine girl and I'm a pretty fine Westerner. You're a really cool girl. I got a really cool.
Next, take a portion and roll it between your palms like this. Then you can stuff it with anything of your choice. You can stuff it with cream, chocolate, jam, or honey, depending on whatever you want. So I'll be stuffing mine with chocolate, Merenda chocolate, and I'll be stuffing just like few because I personally want to eat it plain, but my husband and my kids, they will like it with the chocolate inside. Transfer to a baking pan with baking paper inside, or you could just grease your pan with oil or butter. This is to avoid it sticking to the pan. Now repeat procedure with your other dough.
and we get high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing. Make you ginger me. In the house they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me.
So we are done. The next step is to cover with a clean film again and let it rest for another 1 hour. Don't worry, don't be tired. So this is after 1 hour. As you can see, it's all looking nice and fluffy. So the final step before it gets into the oven, you mix some milk with egg yolk. Yes, to paint the dough top to give it that shiny look before you send it into the oven. So now I'm done. My oven is already set for 180. Bake for at least 40 to 50 minutes or even 1 hour. So guys, this is after about 40 minutes. Our bread is ready. You see how nice and fluffy it's looking. Tessy's Kitchen, thank you so much for this recipe. And this bread was very tasty too, guys. You cannot imagine. My family loved it. Thank you. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this recipe helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.